See, this is a long wire. You have to make this in the form of a helical. For that, I will show you. Just I am winding round the pencil. And now you will get a coil like this, two ends. Now make them very close to each other. By pressing them, make it very close to each other. So you can send current through this end and it coils like, moves like this and comes out of this. This is a solenoid. So it is having a length large, radius small. Take page 151. There you are having a figure. This is a solenoid. Bottom they have marked X and top dot. So current is going into at the bottom and coming out at the top. Then magnetic field will be towards right. That is why they have shown B arrow mark towards right. Okay, this is the solenoid. Current is, you are sending the current bottom X, top dot. So how you are sending? I will show with a pencil. You consider that this is the solenoid. So here current is going into. So current is going like this, bottom into, and turns and comes like this. So top it is towards, bottom into and top towards. That is why X and dot are marked. So you have to hold like this. Can you see? Hold like this. Bottom into, top up, then thumb towards right. So this is the direction of magnetic field. This is the solenoid. Here X means current is going into, and here current is coming out. Then by right hand rule, you will see that magnetic field is towards right. Now what you are doing? You are taking a closed loop, A, B, C, D. So what is our conception? See, I am taking number of turns per unit length as N. So the total number of turns in length L will be N. Current I through each turn is IL. So what will be the total current? Current into number of turns. So NLI is the total current. Uniform magnetic field is produced inside. So they are represented by equidistant parallel lines. Then here BC, this is outside. So you can consider that the magnetic field is very weak and you can neglect it. Then comes if theta equal to 90 degree, B dot dl will be 0. So, okay. Then if theta equal to 0 degree, B dot dl equal to BL. This you are studying. So if you look here, they are parallel. So here it will be BL. This is perpendicular 0. This is outside neglected. So here BL, here 0. This is very small neglected. Here also 0. We are going to the formula. Closed integral B dot dl equal to A to B B dot dl plus B to C B dot dl plus C to D B dot dl plus D to A B dot dl. That is A to B, B to C, C to D, D to A. All these are line integral. Don't put this closed symbol. Then what is the value? This is BL 0, 0, 0. The total will be closed integral B dot dl equal to BL. And BL equal to mu 0 times the total current. That is the rule. So total current I have written here. Total current equal to NLI. So you will get BL equal to mu 0 NLI. L get cancelled and you will get B equal to mu 0 NL. This is the formula for magnetic field in a solenoid. And the direction is given by right hand rule. This is a very is a very important 3-mark question. I am going to take Oersted experiment, which is the first portion in the syllabus, which is not given in your textbook. For that, I am using my friend, this fellow. We are going to study Oersted's experiment. Oersted's experiment. You know, north, south, east and west are represented like this. Now here, you are having a diagram. See, what is that one? Here is a magnetic needle NS. A straight wire is held over the needle, and you are connecting a battery and a resistance to it. Positive connected to bottom and a negative connected to top. So what will be happening? From positive, current flows and reaches S, and current is going from south to north. Clear? Current is from south to north. This is the first point. Then, where is the wire? The wire is wire over the needle. Now you have to take a person, or imagine a person swimming in the direction of current, looking at the needle. So along the wire, looking at the needle. The needle is below. So you have to move how? This way. Can you see? This is a person. He is looking at the. Imagine a person moving along the wire in the direction of the current, looking at the needle. അതുകൊണ്ട് അയാൾ കമുന്നില്ല, ഇങ്ങനെ പോകണം. Okay, then when he reaches here, see, his left side will turn towards west. So when current is from south to north, needle below the wire, or wire is over the needle, deflection of north pole is towards west. That is written here. Current south to north, wire over the needle, then north reflects towards west. So look at this one, south, north, over the wire, west. Read this, S-N-O-W. You will get a word snow. So you can say that this is snow room. This is the second figure. Here, the direction of current is reversed. Positive down, negative down. So what will happen? Current will go like this, reaches the north point position and comes down. So direction of current is here, south to north. Here it is from north to south. So what is the method? Reversing the cell, direction of current is reversed. Again, how to move? That person must move from north to south in the direction of the current, looking at the wire. So when he moves like this, his left moves like this, left side is moving towards west. His left will be this one, left will be this one, this will move towards left, east. Left hand moves towards east. This is the next condition. So what is the meaning? When current is from north to south, current north to south, wire over the needle, wire over the needle, deflection of north pole is towards east. So NSOE, you will get NSOE. If you rechange it, you will get NOSE, nose. So north to south, over the wire, east. Now this is the third case. See, as before we are sending current from south to north, south to north. This is the dotted line, which means wire is below the needle. Wire is above case, wire was over the needle. Now it is below the needle. Then north pole towards east. North pole deflect towards east. Previous case was north pole towards west over the wire. Below the wire, north pole towards east. Just like that, if the direction of current is reversed, north pole will move towards west. Okay, so the first 2 points can be studied by snow rule and nose rule. Okay, snow rule, nose rule. Here you have to remember just opposite of that. Okay.